So what is planned for today? Okay guys, talking about today's workout. So basically I thought of doing something a little high intensity, not something to freak you out, but something that would get our heart rate up high and we'd burn calories together, because I think being at home and not going out has kind of gotten me also very lazy, to be honest. So I think something a little high intensity would help us get our metabolism like moving. So that's why, for those of you who don't know, I'm doing this live with Breathe for India, and the Give India link is in my bio. So if at all you want to make any donation, it would be amazing. All of us coming together and doing something would feel great. So that would be a perfect yoga day gift for me. Thank you guys. A handstand. Falguni, hi, I wish, but handstands I always recommend that you do it in the presence of an expert or a teacher, because it's scary to do it alone, and I definitely don't want you getting hurt. Coming back to which, the workout that I'm doing today is basically a sequence that I really like, because it helps in fat burning, it helps in strength, it helps in flexibility, it helps in your posture overall, and it will also help you with your immunity. Any workout definitely helps you with your immunity. So I think at this point of time, when we're all home, we have somewhat a little time to kind of give ourselves the kind of fitness we need. So I think this is the best time, and that I hope you guys really like the workout, because I've practiced it already, I think twice. I'm so nervous about the workout today. So I hope you really like it. There are some thumb rules that I would want to explain. Firstly, if at all you feel any pain during the workout in your lower back, your ankle or your knee, I would suggest that you guys just leave the posture. Don't force yourselves. Listen to your body. Matlab, when you're leaving a posture also, I would like you to focus on not losing control. I don't want any jerks or jhatkas where you're leaving the postures. Be very controlled about it. No need to get like all panicky. It's fine if something isn't happening. It's okay. I'm going to give you guys options also for beginners, and if people want to kind of go up on the intensity, I'll give you options for that also. Somebody has said do headstand. Okay, I will. Oh, that's so nice, Anjali. It's so good to have you here. I think we can start our workout. It's 5:32. Let's start. Also, I'll give you guys breaks in the middle to have water, but if at all you feel the need to have water at any point, please do so. Make sure you don't have too much water, because I don't want you guys to feel sick while working out. Like 3 to 4 sips is enough. And keep smiling. No type of faces, please, because we're here to feel better, not to feel worse. So yeah, that. And is there anything else I'm missing? Keep breathing. Yes guys, this is very important. You have to keep breathing. I know in a lot of postures we tend to kind of get all rigid and hold our breath and stuff. That is something you should not do. That's not good for you. And again, as I said, at any point if you feel tired or breathless, please feel free to stop doing what you're doing. Take some time for yourself and then get back. Alright guys, I think I've spoken too much now. We should get to the workout. Okay, I'm going to do it sideways for you guys so that you can see better. I hope I'm coming in frame. Yo. So I'm going to do it sideways so that you can see alignments and all a lot clearer. Before we start, put your feet together, and I just want you to take 3 deep breaths. So we're going to inhale, get our arms up, and we're just going to exhale. Use your nose to inhale, stretch up, feel the stretch on the sides of your body, on your stomach, your arms, and exhale. You can use your mouth to exhale. Inhale with your nose, go up, and exhale. Perfect. So come to the front of your mat. It's okay if you're facing me. I'm again just going to do it sideways so that you can understand better. We're going to take a deep breath in once again. Arms stretched up. Join your palms. Look at the center of your palms. Now feel the stretch once again. Tighten your stomach. Feel the stretch in your sides. And now we're going to exhale. Try placing your palms on the floor. It's okay if your fingertips come. It's okay if you can't reach. The idea is to just do your best. If at all you feel you're unable to go down as much as you'd like, you can give your knees a soft bend and just place your arms. Now try touching the top of your head to the floor. Obviously it's not possible, but I'm just saying it so that we know the direction in which we are moving, okay? So I'm trying to bring my crown of the head to the floor. Very nice. Now grab your thighs, calves, whatever is comfortable, and from here lengthen out your spine and open your chest. I'm arching my back, alright? So inhale. Exhale, place your palms down. Walk back into a plank. Make sure your hips aren't sinking like this. Hold it here for 3, 2, place your knees down, and as slow as possible, lie down on the floor. Now inhale, stretch up. So I normally like looking upper when I'm doing this stretch, but you have the option of looking forward. If looking up is too intense, it's fine. Tighten your hips when you're doing that. Now we're going to exhale and go into downward dog. Very nice. Open your chest. Look at your stomach. Tighten your stomach. Now if at all your heels aren't touching the floor, it's absolutely fine, guys. You can give your knees a little bend and just focus on opening your chest. Keep your back nice and straight. No curled backs like this. Nice and straight. 1, 2. Look at your stomach. 3, 4, 5. Walk back slowly. Grab your thighs, calves, whatever is comfortable. Look forward. Open your chest. Now with an exhale, place your palms on the floor. Try touching the crown of your head to the mat. Once again, we look up with a straight back. Come up. Take your arms up. Look between your palms. Tighten your stomach. Relax. Very nice, guys. Come on. Once again, inhale up. Look between your palms. Exhale, we're going to do it a little faster. Inhale, hold your calves or thighs. Open your chest, arch your back. Place your palms forward. Now if you want, only if you're comfortable, you can jump back into a plank. When you're jumping, make sure you're jumping on your toes and no slamming sound should come. Be as controlled, as soft as possible. Place your knees down. Exhale. Lie on the floor. Inhale. Come up. Again, you have an option of looking forward or looking up. Whatever is convenient for you. Make sure your hips are nice and tight. Make sure your shoulders aren't drooping like this. Push them behind and down. Very nice. Exhale. We go into downward dog. Look to it. Look to your tummy. Again, if you want, you can bend your knees a little. If you feel you're unable to straighten it out properly here, bend them a little. Make sure your chest is open. You're not curling up like this. Or you can move your legs like this. Very nice. 3, 4, 5. Now once again, I'm looking between my palms and I'm going to give a very soft jump towards the front. Holding my calves, opening my chest, looking forward. Exhale, I'm going down, trying to touch the crown of my head to the floor. Inhale, arms up sideways. Look up between your palms. Relax. So this is Sun Salutation A. We're doing 3 sets of A and 3 sets of B. We're on our second set. Now we'll start the third. Alright? Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale, hold your calves or thighs. Open your chest. Look up. Exhale, jump into plank. Place your knees. Lie on the floor. Inhale, come up. Shoulders push down. Open your chest. Look forward or on top, whatever is comfortable. Exhale. Now look at your stomach. Open your chest. Try touching your heels now, guys. Or if it's not comfortable, just keep moving your legs. Make sure you're looking at your stomach. This posture is very, very good for migraines, for your skin on the face especially, and to improve your overall posture. Come on. Look between your palms. Soft jump to the front of the mat. Hold your calves. Open your chest. Exhale. Down to the mat. Inhale. Up. Relax. Good job, guys. We're just going to do 3 deep breaths again. Inhale. Arms up. Exhale. Down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale. Down. Very nice. We're going to go for Sun Salutation B. It is quite similar to A, but it just has some added postures. So make sure you're listening to my instructions, guys. I know sometimes we tend to get lost. Okay, feet together. This time we're going to imagine there's a chair behind us. So we're pushing our hips behind, sitting in the chair and raising our arms up. Make sure your knees don't go ahead of your toes like this. I don't want this. I want it peachy. Alright, you're sitting on a chair. Exhale. Crown to the floor. Inhale, similar. Hold your calves, open your chest, look up. Exhale, plank. Drop your knees, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, mountain. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pick our right leg up and we're going to place it between our palms. Try to bring it in line with your palms, right? And we're going to come up, placing left foot down, diagonal. We're going to come up in a lunge. Make sure you're taking a right angle. You shouldn't go aage like this. So make sure you're enough. If you're going aage, open your leg distance a little more. Now we're going to come down again. Knees, stomach, inhale. Exhale. Mountain. Look at your tummy. This time pick your left leg up, place it in line with your palms. Inhale up. My back foot is on the floor. I hope you can see it. And it's at a 45-degree angle, okay? Now we're going to come back down. Knees, stomach, up. Exhale into downward dog. I know your arms are burning. That's good, guys. Look at your stomach. Hold it for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Once again, very soft jump on your toes. To the front. Inhale, look up. Exhale, round to the floor. I mean, if you try. Now from here again, I'm going to push my hips behind and sit in chair posture. In this, my back is arched. Okay, and my knee isn't going ahead of my toes. Relax. I know it's a little intense, guys, but trust me, it's really, really good for you, okay? So once more, come on. Twice more actually. Sit up, arch your back, exhale, crown to the floor. Inhale, open your chest. Exhale, jump back. Knees to the floor, stomach, chest. Inhale up. Exhale into mountain. Once again, right leg forward, up. You should feel the stretch. Make sure your foot is at a right angle. Exhale, go back down, plank, knees, stomach. Inhale, up. Exhale, come on guys, you got this, don't give up. This time your left leg between your palms. Inhale, up. Exhale, back down, plank, knees, chest. Inhale, up. Exhale. Good job, guys. Try to catch your breath. Look at your stomach, open your chest, and we're just going to breathe. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Soft jump forward. Hold your calves, look forward, exhale, crown to the floor, inhale, sit in chair posture. And relax. Alright guys, you got this. One more set and then we'll take a nice water break. So come on. Don't give up. Come on. Feet together. Inhale. Arch your back. Try to sit down as much as you can. Exhale. Try touching your crown to the floor. Inhale. Up. Exhale. Plank. Knees. Chest. Inhale. Up. Exhale, downward dog. Right foot forward, left foot flat. Down. Knees, chest. Inhale up. Exhale down. Left leg between and up. I know you're burning, guys. So am I. But we got this. Plank, knees, chest. Inhale up. Exhale. We're going to rest in mountain for 5 breaths. Whew. Open your chest. Look at your tummy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look forward. Jump aage. Open your chest. Exhale. Crown to the floor. Inhale. Imagine there's a chair behind you. Come up. Hold it here and relax. Nice, guys. Take a water break. Is there something you can ask? We have a minute. So guys, since we're water breaking, I just want to remind you as to why we're doing this. This is a fundraising yoga sesh that I'm doing with Breathe for India, and the Give India link is in my bio. So if at all you feel you want to make a donation, that would be great. And I was also thinking of including a small breathing exercise towards the end of the practice, and it holds a lot of relevance to me, which I will explain when we reach there. And you have 30 seconds more, so enjoy your water break. Yes, Naina, I will save the session for sure. I'm sorry I'm not able to accept any requests right now because, as I said, this is a yoga sesh that I'm doing for Breathe for India for a fundraising. So I don't want to mix up a lot. What do I do for migraine? Please help. So Parna, I think very honestly, yoga will help you with a lot of things, but it's always better to consult with a physician first. And the sequence that I'm doing, in fact, downward dog and a lot of postures do help with migraines, but it's always better to consult with a physician first. Are you going to do every day? Sure. Not every day, but I'll try as much as I can. While doing it, I realized how much I missed it. In the beginning of the session, I was really nervous, honestly. But now I think I remember why I loved doing it so much. So anyways, guys, come on, back on your mats. Okay. So once again, we're going to do something similar to a sequence we did, to the sequences we were doing before. Again, make sure you're listening to me, alright? We're going to, come on, arms up. Look between your palms. Exhale. Down. Crown to the floor. Inhale. Open your chest. Hold your calves. Exhale. Going into plank. Knee. Chest. Inhale. Up. Very nice. Exhale. We're going to downward dog. Now this time we're going to jump, come forward, and we're going to sit in Utkatasana, chair posture I mean. Okay, try making a namaste if it's comfortable, look at it, or you can keep your arms parallel to each other. We hold this for 1. Come on, make sure you can lift your toes so you know your weight is in the correct place. 2, your knee shouldn't go ahead of your toes. Come on. 3, very nice guys, feel the burn. 4 and 5. Come back down, place your palms on the floor. Go into plank. Once again, knee, chest, inhale up. Look forward or on top, however you want to. Exhale into mountain. Take your right leg in front, line with your palms. You're going to go in for the lunge again. Look up. 1. This time you're holding it. Make sure your foot is flat. Your knee isn't going ahead of your toes, it's directly above, making a right angle. 2, make sure you're feeling the stretch in the back leg. 3, 4, 5. From here, guys, look very carefully. I want you to switch. Come to this side. So that leg is straight now, heel on the floor. That is making a right angle. So come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. Now from here only only from up. I have just opened my arms and I've shifted my hips forward. I'm looking over my left shoulder. 1, very nice. Make sure you're not turning sideways. Your hips are facing the front. 2, 3, no arching in this, alright? 4, keep your hip tucked in. And 5. Now once again we turn to that side, keeping our hips facing there. 1, 2, 3, very nice guys, come on. 4 and 5. Place your palms, come into plank, knee, chest, inhale up and exhale to mount. Alright, jump back forward, hold your calves, open your chest, exhale, crown to the floor, inhale, open your chest, straight back ke saath, come up. Very nice. Alright guys, so now we're going to do a little core work, and it's something I really enjoy doing. It's my favorite. So take a 30-second breather. In fact, you know what? Let's get together and do some long breaths साथ में. So come on, feet together. Inhale. Breathe slow, guys. It's much more helpful than breathing fast. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Alright guys, so now we're going to start with what I was talking about. We're going to first this session was really special to me because, as I said, it was a fundraising event for COVID relief, and I just feel really honored that I could do this, with you guys, and together we could do our little something to help people who really need the help right now. Isha Roy is asking me, why am I looking tired? Because we just worked out, Isha. I'll work on it. Okay guys, thank you so much. And once again, if you want to make a donation at this live session I did with Breathe for India, and if you want to do a donation, the Give India link is in my bio. So please make sure you do the little something that you can. And if you can't, make sure you say a little prayer for those people who really need it right now. Okay guys, thank you so much for being here, and I will see you very soon.